Today we're making this vibrant salad. It's very nutritious, it's high in fiber, but also packed with protein. And it's delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter, your favorite cooking channel. Today, as you can see by this beautiful plate, we're gonna be making a herby, healthy, vibrant salad. Now we all know that we have to eat a rainbow and incorporate as many different fruits and vegetables and greens as we can. But for our meal to be balanced, we also want protein. And if you don't have any chicken or tofu or seafood lying around, I'm gonna show you a gorgeous dip that's also gonna be a sauce and dressing for this salad that's gonna be high in protein and it's gonna pack so much flavor. Allow me to introduce feta, one of my favorite cheeses. This is gonna add some healthy fats and a ton of flavor, as I've mentioned, and cottage cheese. This has so much protein and it's gonna add flavor and creaminess to the dip. Now I'm choosing a lighter version because we are using olive oil and feta cheese, but you can use full fat cottage cheese. Now this salad comes together really easily and quite fast. We're gonna whip together the cottage cheese and the feta. We're gonna chop up the greens and the vegetables. Pomegranate. I have a video on my channel, I'm gonna attach it over here, of how to easily de-seed a pomegranate without any mess and any stains. The onion, slice it up and soak it in a bit of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar and just chop everything up, introduce them in a bowl, plate it, eat it, enjoy it, and love your life. Now before we assemble and plate, I want to just go through some of the details and maybe draw your attention to some little tweaks. So this for me is like my favorite food. I love to just serve like chicken or fish or lamb with just this on the side. It's basically pomegranates, red onions that we kind of slightly pickled in apple cider vinegar, but again, as I mentioned, you can use lemon and lemon zest. And we added sumac, which is one of my favorite spices. This one I actually brought back from Greece. It's like a red, tart flavor bomb, and this really goes well together. So that's this plate. This plate. So what we're using is a mix of parsley, dill, coriander, and mint. And I like to leave some of the herbs really finely chopped, but also I introduce some like bigger pieces that just kind of, I don't know, they just look beautiful in the salad together. I use cucumbers, but you can totally use green olives or maybe capers, and it will always kind of change the flavor profile of the salad a little bit. It will always change the flavor profile of the salad, just a little bit. And spinach. So this is all of our greens, which I'm going to introduce to the pomegranate onion situation. And as I mentioned, this is just whipped feta and cottage cheese. Please try it, and maybe you want to add some more Greek yogurt or some extra cottage cheese to make it more creamy and a bit more sour, or you can really go heavy with the feta. And as you've noticed, I haven't put any salt anywhere because feta tends to add that kind of briny, salty flavor. Now, we're gonna assemble, but there's one more spice that I have to mention that I'm a huge fan of, and you probably should have it at home in your pantry. That's za'atar, another flavor bomb, which is just gonna intensify and bring together all the flavors. gorgeous. Just have a look. She's stunning. If you're expecting guests, this should probably be on your table. First of all, it's just light in the sense that you have so many greens and so many vegetables and so many herbs. But it's also so flavorful. Now what you could do is you can serve this with like a side of vegetables, like some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some chicory or endives, and you can totally use this white stuff as just a dip. But what I like to do is get like a bunch of these ingredients and just kind of scoop some goodness. Let's try it. Oh my God, so good. Wow. The flavors are just incredible. You have the za'atar and the whipped feta, which is kind of tangy and rich, but then you have the tartness and the brightness of these greens. This is amazing, absolutely incredible. It has a little bit of like tzatziki vibes because you have like the yogurt feta and you have a lot of the mint. By the way, the mint is a non-negotiable. If you don't have dill or you don't have coriander, just use parsley and the spinach. But the mint, it adds just so much freshness and like just this pop of flavor. Please try the salad. Please leave a note below in the comment section if you liked it. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. So good.